Now, what it takes to be a product designer, like I said, you need to have a foundation design skill. At least it's good to have knowledge of visual design, interaction design, and UX design. But if you don't have any, once you can be able to think a problem, you can learn it then. Then you also need to have technical and additional knowledge when you want to research. You must always ask questions. You ask questions like as if you are a lawyer. You have to know, you have to think, you have to ask questions because you have to be clear. Number three, you must be able to communicate. You must be able to collaborate. And what I mean communicate is whatever your findings are that you've learned, you have to say it to people so that you can understand if that thing helps them better. You have to collaborate, work with the front-end people, back-end people, your stakeholders, so that are ready to pay the users. The collaboration is going to be all over the place. Your problem-solving ability, which means you need to be able to think about how to solve problems on the go. So if I'm saying, Neme, we have a problem of this. What do you think? You're thinking about how to solve it on the fly. If I'm saying, Fichuku, this is the problem we have with social clients. How do we go about it? As a product design person, the expectation is you're thinking of answers to the problem while they're asking you. So you're always ahead. You're not always behind. You're ahead. Now you have to be able to work as a team and as a standalone person. If you put you in a team, you should be a plus, not a minus. So teamwork and leadership is very important in product design. Why? Because you'll be coaching a lot of people. You'll be teaching a lot of people the best practices to go with. You'll be making a lot of design decisions. Like me, that is what I do my day to day. I look at a lot of designs and I say, this is wrong, this is right, this is wrong, change this, fix this here, change this here. Because if I don't do that, how did they improve? So you need to have that spirit of teaching. You need to be able to say what the problem is, teach people how to solve it, and help them solve it. And you have to be able to plan. One advantage of product design is that once you learn it very well, planning and documenting things, writing things you need to do. In fact, your to-do list, you will not want to be missing things because that planning and proactivity will just be part of you. Because the more you keep doing it, you realize that you're very prudent with your time and you're very, very detailed when it comes to the answers you give to people. Because you're thinking and you're answering. You're thinking, you're answering. Very good way to